Hello, and welcome to another amazing video. In this YouTube video, we'll explore a collection of ChatGPT life hacks that will change your mindset and propel you towards success in ways you've never imagined. Join us as we embark on a transformational experience like no other. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on this mind-blowing adventure. Number 1, efficient time management. Time is our most valuable resource, and managing it effectively is crucial for achieving success and balance in life. ChatGPT can be your personal time management assistant. By creating daily schedules, setting reminders, and prioritizing tasks, you can stay organized and on track to achieve your goals. Number 2, personalized learning. Education is no longer limited to traditional classrooms. With ChatGPT, you can embark on a journey of personalized learning. The AI language model can curate customized study materials, recommend books and online courses, and even explain complex concepts in a simplified manner, making learning more engaging and effective. Number 3, creative writing assistance. For writers, both amateur and professional, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Whether you're crafting a blog post, working on a novel, or even writing a heartfelt letter, the AI can assist with brainstorming ideas, enhancing your writing style, and overcoming writer's block. Number 4, enhanced research and information gathering. In today's information age, the ability to find accurate and relevant information quickly is paramount. ChatGPT can act as your research assistant, providing access to a vast array of knowledge, fact-checking information, and summarizing complex articles to save you time. Number 5, multilingual communication. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, making it an invaluable tool for global communication. It can help bridge language barriers, facilitate language learning, and enable you to connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds. Number 6, stress and anxiety management. Dealing with stress and anxiety is essential for maintaining mental well-being. ChatGPT can act as a supportive listener, offering guided relaxation techniques, mindfulness exercises, and positive affirmations to help you cope with stress and achieve emotional balance. Number 7, goal setting and achievement. Setting clear and achievable goals is the first step towards success. With ChatGPT, you can outline your objectives, create step-by-step plans, and receive motivational prompts to stay focused and motivated on your journey to success. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Number 8, virtual travel and exploration. Unable to travel physically, ChatGPT can take you on virtual adventures to explore new places and cultures. It can describe historical landmarks, suggest local delicacies, and even simulate conversations with virtual locals to enrich your knowledge and broaden your horizons. Number 9, health and fitness support. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is vital for overall well-being. ChatGPT can provide personalized fitness routines, healthy recipes, and wellness tips to help you achieve your health goals. Number 10, decision-making and problem-solving. Indecisiveness can hinder progress and lead to missed opportunities. ChatGPT can be your unbiased decision-making partner, helping you weigh pros and cons, analyze situations, and find creative solutions to complex problems. Number 11, language learning facilitation. Learning a new language can be challenging, but ChatGPT can make it more accessible and enjoyable. With its language translation and conversation simulation abilities, you can practice speaking and understanding foreign languages with ease. Number 12, financial management assistance. Managing finances can be daunting, but ChatGPT can simplify the process by offering budgeting tips, investment advice, and money-saving strategies to improve your financial literacy and stability. Number 13, personal development and goal tracking. Growing and evolving as an individual is a lifelong journey. ChatGPT can act as your personal development coach, guiding you through self-reflection exercises, tracking progress on your goals, and offering encouragement along the way. Number 14, virtual book club. Reading is a fantastic way to expand knowledge and explore new perspectives. With ChatGPT, you can start a virtual book club, discuss literary works, and receive insightful analyses and interpretations from the AI. Number 15, virtual therapy and emotional support. Sometimes, a listening ear can make all the difference. ChatGPT can simulate empathetic conversations, offering emotional support and guidance during difficult times when professional help might not be readily available. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.